Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. This here is your Vance Hines air filter, okay? This is your Road King, or basically all your touring, your baggers and some of your Softails actually. Will fit some of your late Softails. But basically 99 to 17 twin cam models and some of the 18s obviously, till they built the Milwaukee 8s. Now this particular item, very cool actually. This is almost like your Screen and Eagle filter, but it's proper metal, you know. This is your Vance Hines 90 degree. Okay, so you basically got like a K&N washable filter here. You've got your 90 degree bracket, which obviously goes onto it. And then here's your mount. And basically your thing's going to mount onto this bracket, as you can see in this picture here, and give you like your Screaming Eagle type of system. But very cool looking, I'll be honest with you. I do like this better than the normal, just big filter stuck out with no cover on it. Also keeps a lot of crap off it. But great bit of kit. These are on offer on our Black Friday sale, and as usual we've got masses of great deals for you anyway, as you know if you know us. Okay, this also is another filter we've got on offer. This is a Grenade, obviously goes with your Grenade exhaust, which we have got some for $1 on half price. Here's a mounting bracket for that one. The coolest one of the lot, if you ask me, is Vance Hines real carbon drag. Never even seen one of these, but this actually is a real deal. This is carbon. This is no bullshit. Proper carbon filter, proper stainless steel bracket. It's the same sort of thing as the Alley Cats and all the rest. This filter, basically, your backing plate bolts on, your filter goes on top. This is your air director, which basically gives you a lot more air going in. Very, you know, like a Venturi curved system. Okay, you might have seen on some of the later hyperchargers. But when that's on, I've got to admit, this is a very, very cool bit of kit.